Good morning students and parents. Today we are going to study about multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, what do you mean by rational numbers? Rational numbers means just fractions. Okay. For example, we can take 5 by 8. Okay, 5 by 8. In this fraction, 5 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. So in any fraction, the upper part is called numerator and the lower part is called denominator. Okay. Now my dear students, we can do some problems. Multiplication of rational numbers. Example 1.11. Evaluate minus 5 by 8 into 7. Then second subdivision, minus 6 by minus 11 into minus 4. Okay. Now let us see how to solve this problem. Solution. See, the first part is minus 5 by 8 into 7. So my dear students, this can be written as minus 5 by 8 into 7 can be written as 7 by 1. Okay. 7 can be written as 7 by 1. That is equal to, when we are multiplying to rational number, you multiply the numerator with the numerator. That is minus 5 into 7 divided by, what is the denominator of the first rational number? 8. What is the denominator of the second rational number? 1. So denominator is 8 into 1. That is equal to minus 5 into 7. You can say the fifth table. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35. Divided by 8 into 1, 8. Okay. Therefore, the answer is minus 35 by 8. Now, my dear students, come to the second part, second subdivision. What is the second subdivision? Minus 6 by minus 11 into minus 4. So, my dear students, this can be written as minus 6 by minus 11 into, how can you write minus 4? Minus 4 by 1. Now, my dear students, since the first number contain negative sign in the numerator and denominator, we can cancel these two minus signs. Therefore, you will be getting like this: 6 by 11 into minus 4 by 1. So this can be written as 6 into minus 4 divided by 11 into 1. Okay, dear students, that is equal to minus 6 into 4 divided by 11 into 1, that is equal to minus 24 divided by 11. Okay, which is the answer. Exercise 1.1, problem number 12. Evaluate. First one, 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3. Second one, minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35. Solution for the first part. It is 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3. That is equal to, see, when we are multiplying to rational number, you have to multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Okay, that is 9 into minus 11 divided by 2 into 3. So that can be written as minus 9 into 11, இந்த மைனஸை ஃப்ரண்டில் எடுத்துக்கலாம், divided by 2 into 3. So now what we can do is, we can cancel this 9 and 3. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so that can be written as minus 3 into 11 divided by 2 into 1. So that is equal to minus 33 by 2. Minus 33 by 2. Right? Okay, fine. Now come to the second part. That is minus 7 by 27 into 24 divided by minus 35. So that can be written like this. This is minus 7 into 24 divided by 27 into minus 35. Okay, that is equal to minus 7 into 24 divided by, take this minus here, minus 27 into 35. Understand? So this can be written as, before that we can cancel these two minus sign. That is equal to, now we can cancel this 35 and 7. 1 7 is 7, 5 7s are 35. So it is 1 into 24 divided by 27 into 5. Again we can cancel this 24 and 27. 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27. So it is 1 into 8 divided by 9 into 5. That is equal to 8 by 9 5s are 45. So this is the answer. If this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.